Good afternoon, all of you. Yesterday we have completed three questions, extra questions of chapter 6. Today, two or three more questions we will discuss in class. Now, question number 4. In this figure, two straight lines are there, PQ and RS, right? PQ and RS. Two straight lines are there, intersect each other at O. This is O. Angle POT is 75 degree. POT. Suppose this is P, okay? This is POT. This is 75 degree. And P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. Okay? Like this we will do because it is according to the question we will go. Okay? POT, POT, that is 75 degree, PQ and RS. ठीक है जी. Now find the value of A, B and C. These value we have to find. So solution now we will do. ROS is a straight line. Right. So angle ROQ plus QOS. (180 degree) because of linear pair. है ना? In the same way, this plus this angle ROP plus angle POT plus angle TOS. Same 180 by because of straight angle. Right. ROP is 4B, POT is 75 degree and TOS is B. So 4B plus B, 5B plus 75 is equal to 180 degree. 5B is equal to 180 minus 75, that is 105 degree. A and 4B are equal because of means this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, right? Means angle ROP equal to angle QOS. ROP is 4B. This is 4B and angle QOS. That is A. B value came 21 degree. 84 is equal to A came. Right? Now, this and this full is also vertically opposite angle. Right? So, angle ROQ angle ROQ and angle POS. That is also vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal, right? So this angle and this angle are equal. This is B plus 75, that is equal to 2C. B value came 21. 5 or 1 6, 7 or 2 9. C value is equal to 96 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So C value is equal to 48. Now all values came A, B and C. Look at there. We will do again this question. Two lines A, PQ and RS intersect at O. So these three angles, this is form a straight line. So these three angles sum is 180 degree. So we will take these three angle equal to 180 degree. 4B plus 75 plus B equal to 180 degree. From there 5B is equal to 180 minus 75 will come. So 5B is equal to 180 minus 75, 105 degree. B value came 105 by 5, 21 degree, right? B value came now 21. We will put B value here and here. And this are a vertically opposite angles. So angle A value equal to 4B. So put here B value, then 21, 4 into 21, 84, A value came 84. Now to see this full is equal to this full, these two are vertically opposite angle because this line and this line are intersecting. So this and this full will be equal. So B plus 75 equal to 2C. है ना, B plus 75 equal to 2C. B value we know that because we have already find that 21 degree. So 75 plus 21 it will become 96. 2C is equal to 96. C value came that is 48. So all values came A, B and C. I hope understand this question to all of the students. Now we will move to the next question. Figure is there. Line PQ and RS intersect each other at the point O. Both lines are intersecting at point O. Angle ROQ and POR. What is POR? This. POR this and ROQ this. These two angles are given 5:7. We have to find all the angles. Okay? So now we will do the solution. Angle POR we will take 5x and angle ROQ we will take 7x. This will be 5x and this will be 7x. Okay? Now POQ is a straight line. देखो, this is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle sum is 180 degree. POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. ठीक है? POR is 5x and QOR is 7x. 7 plus 5, 12x. X is equal to 180 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 60, 12 5s are 60. 15 multiplied 12 is 180. So X value came that is 15. ठीक है? X value is 15. So angle POR is 15 into 5. 5 multiply 15, that will be 75 degree. And angle ROQ equal to 7 into 15. 15 sevens are 105. Okay, these two angle came. So this angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle are equal because of vertically opposite angle, right? Angle POR is equal to angle SOQ. Because of vertically opposite angles are equal. Same POS equal to ROQ. That is also vertically opposite angles are equal, right? POR is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. So angle SOQ is also 75 degree. This is 105 degree ROQ. This is 105 degree. So angle POS is also 105 degree, right? All angles came now. 2 are 75, 75, 2 are 105, 105, right? All four angles came. Whenever we will do the sum of these all angles, it will be a 360 degree, right? So all angles we have to find in this question. Again, I am telling two lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. POR and ROQ ratio is given, angle ratio is given, we have to find the all angles. If ratio will be given any time, so we will take with A or any value with that number, like 5:7 is given, so we will take 5x. So angle POR is 5x and angle ROQ is 7x, because only ratio of these two angle is given. So we will take angle, then it will become 5x and another will become 7x, right? Now this is a straight line POQ. So this angle and this angle sum is 180 degree because of linear pair. So 5x plus 7x is equal to 180, 12x is equal to 180, x value equal to 15. So x value is 15, then 15 5s are 75 and ROQ will be 7 multiplied 15, that is 105. So this angle and this angle are equal because of vertically opposite angle. So angle ROQ equal to angle POS. So angle POS is also 105 degree and ROP equal to SOQ. This is 75 degree. This is also 75 degree. Now all angles came. 75, 2 are of 75, 75 and 2 are of 105, 105, right? So now this question completed. Now all extra question we have done, means 5 question we have completed of this chapter. Extra questions for these, and tomorrow more we will discuss some more extra questions. Okay, I thought this all understand to all of the students all the questions. So okay, thank you very much for watching this video.